right, Oldsmobile time here. Nice looking Oldsmobile 442. Beautiful coupe. This car has also had some nice restoration work done to it that we'll hit on as I go around in this video. First of all, let's start out with the color of this. This vehicle has been media blasted and repainted to the original color. It'd be dark red. Should be 79 paint code. Also has the matching ruby cloth interior, and that appears to be original in it. Underneath the hood, some engine work has been done to this also. Engine was rebuilt, professionally done, 307 underneath the hood. And then it has also had a Howell EFI conversion done to it, so it's got a throttle body injection, electric fuel pump added. Time the engine was done, transmission was also professionally redone, 200 R4 automatic with overdrive. Now all the equipment too, of course, underneath hood, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. If you want to check out the still pictures of the engine, the underside of this car, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it, that's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us too, 507-386-1726. As you can see, the paint still shows nicely. I mean, if you look around, you'll probably find an imperfection here or there. This car was driven. Previous owner was not afraid to get in it and drive it from the Midwest to the East Coast and back. Fun car. One of the other things that said he had done, the wheels also media blasted, repainted to the original color. As you can see, riding on Cooper radials. A nice luster to it. You can see the reflection coming off the side of it. Tinted windows, of course, that kind of varies with every state. You might want to check your state codes as far as how dark they can be, what percentage or not, but want to make you aware of that. I mean, it looks good on this car. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation of this vehicle, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. True dual exhaust all the way from the manifolds to the rear. And then take a look. You know, lots of times you're going to see bubbling, rusting above the wheel wells, down below in the rockers, and in the still pictures you're going to be able to see the undersides of the doors too. So the car looks pretty darn straight. Looks good on the bottom half. Nice looking body style, very popular body style from the 80s. In the trunk, there's also been a retro sound, professionally installed stereo system that is Bluetooth capable. There's an amp and a sub in the trunk, again nicely installed, and you can see that in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. Alright, let's go down this side too, show you the lower rockers above the wheel wells. Again, you can see how nice a shape those wheels are in. Again, professionally redone. Check out that reflection. Alright, now some of the other things that were done when that engine was rebuilt. Again, complete dual exhaust from the manifolds to the rear. It was done at the time of the things done at the time of the rebuild. Radiator, heater core, alternator, plugs and wires, cap and rotors, belts, hoses, headlights, new window motors, and regulators. So some of the other things that were done. Let's go ahead and check this interior out. Again, to me it appears that it is the stock interior. Now if you're familiar with these, one of the first things you always see when you open the door is lots of times this chrome is coming off. That kind of hinge cover. Nice shape on this one. The seats in the video, lots of times the burgundies and reds, if you've seen my videos, it's tough to get it to keep from washing out. So this is a nice dark ruby interior where you can kind of see these lighter spots in the seats. It is a little lighter in person, but the camera, it tends to wash it out more so than it really is. I'm going to roll the windows down, start this up so we get a little bit better light in there, but I wanted to show you the tinted windows also. So it looks like original door panels. Let's go ahead and fire this up and I'll show you that interior a little closer. And again, throttle body injection. I'm just going to turn it on. pump it, no need to hit the gas, it'll fire right up. And again, window motors and regulators redone. Roll both those down. Windows work great. A little more light in here. The other thing you'll notice, power antenna went up. Works fine. Here's that retro sound radio. Fits beautifully. Looks great. You got your adjustment for the amp in the trunk there. And that sub in the back. Gauges all appear to work. And again, AC blows cold. Take a look at the top of the dash. You know these were prone to crack. Top of the dash looks in good shape. Alright, let's check this out a little bit more. God, this car's got a good sound to it too for the 307 underneath the hood. Now, if I can get backed away, there you go. Right there's where the true color and how that seat and everything looks. If I get up close to it, it's going to wash it out. I just want you to be aware of that. One of the other things notorious on these, headliners coming down. As you can see, headliner. Good shape. Trying to keep the glare off there too. Alright, one little tear here wanted to note. Other than that, very nice interior. Slip around to the back of this. No crazy over the top obnoxious sound, but you get on this car, you get a little bit of a throaty rumble to it. Sounds good for 307 under there. Idle's nice, just runs smooth. Alright, I'm going to pause this. I want to get this hood popped and we're going to check out this engine by a second too here. Alright, listen and look at how smooth this thing runs. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC's been converted as the newer R132, new alternator, a little bit of dress up with air cleaner, chrome cover. New compressor over here. Just look at that. Like I said, previous owner of this was not afraid to get in and drive it. Wasn't afraid to take it wherever he wanted to go. Had it set up so it was reliable. Rebuilt 307, 200 R4 underneath it. Wow. It's a beauty. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video. It's going to take you right to our website. You'll be able to check out the pictures of this 1986 Olds 442. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.